I don't think she likes this whole locked up thing, but Lucky's used to being out roaming. She likes the free range. Her and her giant rooster that follows around like a lost puppy dog. But she's not digging it too much, but I gotta have her teach these youngins how to be hens. Good morning, ladies. Yeah, they got their little scratch grains and they're getting their breakfasts. Yep. Good morning from the flock. Beautiful day outside. Yeah. Just living that homestead life. I got a lot of room out here. I got so much stuff I gotta chop down from this place. Start building more pens. Well, good morning. You give us another crow? You gonna do it, buddy? Come on, Goliath. Give us a crow. Lucky. Chick, chick, chick. There we go. Good morning. We got it. All right, everybody, have a good day, and hopefully your Sundays are fun and filled with enjoyment. And yep, she got to have the last say. All right. Please like and subscribe. And if you like chickens, have a good day.